foul counted po. Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Michael Jackson ka.
Balik tayo jersey number 17. Inside pass. Ganda naman ang give and go. Favorite play ng ating cluster 3. 19 years nang nakikita yan sa mga cluster 3. Unang puntos ni Mr. number 15 kontra Duluca kay Mr. Pitoy. Ito si jersey number 11 looking for the receiver. Inside pass. Lusing the muscle. Rejected. That's a good defense. Napayungan ng dalawang tower. Outlet. Ito si Mr. Makaspak. PG-13 Makaspak. Back to Mr. number 17. Sabado Mine. In control now. Crossing to the mid-track. Looking for his teammate number 15 now. Balik tayo Mr. number 15. 15 on the shot clock. Number 17. Down to 13 seconds. 11 seconds on the shot clock. PG-13. Reset. Same ball pa rin. Tap out of bounds si Mr. Alpiroy. Tap out of bounds. Shot clock is reset to 14 seconds for the cluster 3. Baseline inbound. 1 minute 39. Now to play on jersey number 3. Triple back na gano'n. Ito tapik ka na. Shot clock is good at 9. 9 seconds. That's out of bounds. Tapik palabas si Mr. number 15. Reset to 24 for the cluster 1. Score natin. 17-5 score.
Ay, 75.
Nakapasok na pare. Reset ka na dyan. Eto na. Ang alimaw ng parang si Mr. number 11. Commander number 10. Balik tayo ka jersey number 28. Manalanzana. Looking for the receiver, the playmaker for the cluster 1. To Brother Piray. 12 to shade. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Napakaraming defense ang pinapakita. Sabi na tayo. 108 pa tayo. 108. Here comes jersey number 17. Ito na naman yung set play ng ating cluster 3. Familiar moves to. Tingnan natin para jersey number 17. In control. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sabado looking for the isolation. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 13. Down to 9 seconds. That's a whistle blow. That's a troubling on Mr. Luis Sabado number 17. Turnover ang inabot 47 seconds in action sa ating first quarter. Here comes jersey number 28 for the brother cluster 1. Manalanzana. Ito si Mr. number 11. Meron ng dalawang personal foul. Inside pass. Muntik nang pumasok. Pag pumasok yung counted naman para jersey number 11. Ito si Mr. number 26 na playmaker. Bounce pass. Tumama sa tuhod. Sabi ni referee Ilaya. Game clock 29 seconds. Shot clock is good. 16 banks, shot clock. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, reset. Right at the rebound, jersey number 11. Tapikan pero may foul on number 10. That's a hacking foul. First on you. 16 seconds on the game clock. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sir Warner. Dito sa barangay Santa Cruz, Lubao. Here comes jersey number 15. Attacking the baseline and a whistle blow. Holding on you, Mr. number 24, Mr. Biray. First on you, first team foul. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, reset. Tapikan, ito na yung transition offense ng ating pamatay na offense ng ating cluster 1. Attacking the baseline, Liza Rama. Idros foul. Foul on number 10. That's a hacking foul on you, Mr. number 10. Second on you, Mr. number 10. First team foul for the cluster 3. Tingnan natin yung unang free throw ni Mr. Jimenez, number 12. Inakalat ating cluster 1 sa ating unang half ng ating laro sa ating final match. Last throw, Randy Jeffer connects the last throw on jersey number 12. Pangatlong puntos mo pa lang yan, jersey number 12. Right comes jersey number 13. PG-13 Makaspaga. Looking for the cross-court pass. Bittig. Almost intercepted. Number 26 Giffen. Got to Mr. Makaspaga. The playmaker. Spin ball. Plays it over. Ito, that's a whistle ball. Number 10. Illegal contact na ng Mr. number 10. Yung foul ni Mr. number 10. Hands up nga lang. Pero may push yung katawan, pare. Hands up nga. Wala ka sa legal guard mo, pare. Kaya tinawagan ka ng foul. Hands up nga lang, pare. Tama naman yung gesture mo sa referee. Pero yung katawan mo, papunta sa offense, pare. 9 minutes and 21 seconds. Last throw. Jersey number 1. Number 10 out.
Just out.
Balik tayo sa kabila, jersey number 26. In control on Mr. number 12. Jimenez slowly start ng ating cluster 1 sa ating first half. Looking Mr. Rectana. Corner pass back to Mr. number 19. 14 on the shot clock. 3-point shots. Again. Shot like is reset now. Using the body, Ikbon. Na-depensa ng dalawang tower. Down the lane. 9 seconds on the shot clock. He gets a like that. Number 24. Pahirapan sa puntos ang ating cluster 1 sa shaded area. Tingnan mo naman yung sa ilalim, tatlong tower. Si Mr. Yumol, halimaw ng batangan. Si Mr. Jersey number 26, dalawang laking Berbrad. Sa kabila si Mr. Tito Gang veterano. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Makaspak. Isolation now. Down to 12 seconds. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and that's a 3 seconds violation. 3 seconds yan, pare. That's a 3 seconds violation
Yung umaga bigla. Happy morning.
Under 9 minutes to play, 8 and 30 remaining. Now Jimenez, isolation. Here comes jersey number 19, catch and shoot from deep. Negative. Rebound on jersey number 13, Makaspag. Hinahanap si Mr. number 1, yung playmaker ng cluster 3. Now in jersey number 1, outlet to Mr. Bitug. Bitug pa rin number 15. Kick out again, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Bitug, isolation. 12 down on the shot clock. Number 26, pull up, negative. Rebound. Same ball pa rin. Reset to 14 seconds for the cluster 3. Out of bounds si Mr. number 27, Ikban. De Leon number 26. Out ka muna. Check in si Mr. number 28. Mahaba pa. 7:58 pa tayo. 7:58. Reset to 14 seconds for the cluster 3. Inbound ni Mr. number 10. Baseline inbound. Looking for the receiver. Almost intercepted now. In control. Same ball pa rin. 12 seconds on the shot line. 12 seconds on the shot line. Sabo na tayo. Number 19 out. Check in si Mr. number 20. Balik pa kay jersey number 1, Makaspaga. Looking for the isolation. Here comes Makaspag. He launches. Negative. Rebound ni Mr. Ikban. Ito na. Court to court ni Mr. number 27, Ikban. Driving lane. And that's a whistle blow. Sandali lang. Foul on number 13. That's a pushing foul on you, Mr. number 13. First on you. Second team foul. Sabo na tayo, rep. Sino ba? Number 13. Oh, coach. Yung bench natin pare nakapasok na. Yung sinabi ko kanina pare ha. Ito yung dito, yan. Balik tayo kay jersey number 24. That's a 2-point. Long 2 ni Mr. number 24. Panakanak ang puntusan for the cluster Waters. 18. 10 is score. 7:30 remaining. Here comes number 17. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Balik tayo kay jersey number 1. 13 down on the shot clock. Inside pass. Number 28. Ito recovery Mr. number 27. Now, ito na. Nagpaparamdam na sa puntusan ng ating cluster 1. Pinagpawisan na si Mr. Jimenez. Looking for the give and go. Alperoy. He launches. Negative. Tapikan Ikban. Power move. Matatapikan. Kanino. 10 down on the shot clock. Number 20. Negative. That's a same ball. Shot like is reset. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Saan muna tayo? 15 out. Exactly 7 minutes to play. Now jersey number 12, Volpe. That's a whistle blow. Two steps too many on jersey number 12. Yung pivot, yung una nga, umakbang idol. Sayang. Balik tayo kay jersey number 1, isolation. Iniwanan yung depensa. That's a good ball control on jersey number 1, Bakaspaga. Under 7 minutes to play. Back to Mr. number 17. Inside pass. Post move division jersey number 10. 12 seconds on a shot clock. Outlet pass. Bakaspaga from break. Jersey number 1. That's an out of bounds. Nahulog. 6:31 remaining. Iba talaga pag meron kang facilitator sa loob ng court. Si Mr. number 1, napakalaki ng partisipasyon ni Mr. number 1 sa cluster 3. Ito, yung veterano naman si Mr. number 17, yung magtitimon against number 20. 14 seconds on a shot clock on jersey number 28. Back to Mr. number 17, back to Mr. number 28. 13-footer jumper is negative. And a big rebound, Ikban. Napakalakas ng rebound ng Ikban. Balik naman tayo sa cluster 1. Here comes jersey number 20, outlet. Division jersey number, the block down ball. Napitawan, good pa rin yan. Shot like is good. Ito top pick 10, that's a whistle blow. Number 27, that's a pushing foul on you, Mr. number 27. 26 out. Bamba, labas ka muna, Mr. Bamba. Team foul number 3. Team foul number 3 pa lang. Exactly 6 minutes. Now number 17, outlet to Mr. number 10. Cross-court pass, foul line number 28. Looking for the isolation. Back to the playmaker, Makaspak. Inside pass. Ito naman yung intercepted division number 20 sa Manikban. Transition offense for the cluster 1 to Diretso Alpiray. Hand off. Ball pick rejected. Pero may pito sa ilalim. Committed foul on jersey number 12. Number 12, Malit. 13 foul. First personal foul, Malit. Two shots tayo, pare. 2 shots tayo. Score natin, Mr. Kura, 21-10. 22 rather, 22-10. Score natin. First attempt, number 20 is good. Sandali lang, pare. Pag pumasok yung pangalawa, Mr. Candle. 22. Pag pumasok, meron tayong substitution. Number 10 out for the cluster 3. Balik tayo sa kabila. In control is number 21. Looking for the outlet pass, number 3 now. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. Number 17 looking for the receiver now. Jersey number 17. Down to 13 seconds. Down to 12. 11. 10. Illegal contact now, number 20. Number 20, first on you, Mr. number 20, team foul number 4. 12-22 score. Nawala yung isang numero, pare. First on Mr. Kernel Ochoa, number 3, Skide. Pag pumasok, meron tayong substitution. 24 out. Under 6 minutes, 5:21. Now jersey number 12, Jimenez against number 1. Ikban attacking the baseline. That's a whistle blow. Number 12. That's a push on you, Mr. number 12. Warning for penalty. Team foul number 4. Shot like it's reset to 14 again. Balik tayo kay jersey number 20. Tap off the key to Mr. Jimenez. And a ball fake. Slicing. 10 down the shot. Nag-shot ball. Yung foul troubling. That's a good goal. Inbound. Inbounding the ball to jersey number 1. Here comes number 1. Number 1 pa rin. Ito na yung double team outlet. Pasag yung depensa. Here comes jersey number 12, Molly. Roger Molly is in number 12.
Ano pa rin papabuloy?
26-13 is score. Balik tayo kay jersey number 20, Viroy. Top of the key. Pinabayaan. Surprise 3-point shot. Good pa rin. Out of bounds. Nagtatapon ng bola ang Cladin Cluster 1. Isa-isang opensa, kada isang player, isang opensa. Tingnan natin. Pero sa kabila, consistent yung teamwork sa loob ng basketball court. Ito si Mr. number 17, cross court. Ito na naman yung facilitator si jersey number 1. Here comes number 1. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Isolation. Here comes the screen. Short jumper. 17-footer. Full out there. Tapikan. Recover Mr. number 23. Balik tayo Mr. number 28. Manalansan naman ngayon. Here comes jersey number 28. Outlet. Song Biray. To Mr. number 23, Miranda Neged. Recover Mr. number 27 for the easy basket. Dali pare, nakabasok na ha. Nakikita ka gadiin pare. Makapampanya kasing trophy. 4 minutes and 5 result timeout ka pare. Pag nabasket o meron na out of bounds or foul. Here comes jersey number 17, Sabado. 14 seconds on the shot clock, Sabado. 12 this year. Neged. Recover ang Mr. number 27. Napakaraming boards na yung binibigay ng Mr. number 27. Transition open sa Mr. number 28. Outlet pass sa Mr. number 20. Peray na yung Hodges. Timeout ka pa pare. Isang timeout ka pa. 3:38 remaining. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17. Signaling for his teammate. Looking for the play on jersey number 17. Inside pass. High-low play to Mr. number 26. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Reset. Here comes number 3. Kendall Ochoa. Lays it up. He throws it down. The basket is counted. Number 10. Basket is counted. Number 10. Pangatlo. Pasok sa mga. Bonus shot on jersey number 3. Number 10 out ka muna, Mr. number 10. 29-18. Labas ka na pare, Mr. number 18. 3:19 remaining. In control of jersey number 12, Jimenez. Pinababayaan from downtown si Mr. number 12. Kick out to Mr. number 20. Catch and shoot. Eto na yung sinasabi ko. Reverse. That's a whistle blow. Foul on. Number 12, si Mr. number 12, Mr. Mallet. Third on you. Sub muna tayo rep. Number 12 out. Coach, pakiclear po yung bench natin, idol. Medyo nakapasok na sa guhit pare ha. Hindi. Nakaupo kasi yung sa kabila, madam. Sa inyo, nakatayo. Kaya dyan tayo titingin. Let's draw. Eto, mintis nga lang. Recover jersey number 26. In control pa rin ang Mr. number 26. With jersey number 1, Macaspago. In control, Mr. Macaspago. Inside pass, using the body. Down the lane, puts it up his negro. Tapikan, reset to 14. Carnal Ochoa. Talon number 24. Timeout! Cluster 1. Wala ka ng timeout, coach, for the second quarter. 2 minutes and 51. Second team foul. Second personal foul, number 24.
Luto! Oy, can may grip
First is good on jersey number 3. Score 30. Sa masang din score, idol. 23 is out. Rather, 30-19 is score. Balik tayo sa kabila, si jersey number 24, the jersey number 27, pull up, way up the mark, shot line is good now. 7 on the shot line, down to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, reset, tapi ka sa ilang, reset to 14, the jersey number 20, jersey number 20, 22. 31 score. 2 minutes and 16 seconds in action. Using the body. Inside pass. Extra pass number 26 to Leon. Ball fake. Nice out there shot. Number 3. Saan na tayo? Number 12. Number 3, penalty tayo, idol. First personal foul niyo, Mr. Ochoa. Penalty tayo. (31-22). First one is good, number 27. Last draw. Diretso. 2 minutes and 7 seconds in action for the second quarter. In control on jersey number 1 now. Balik tayo kay number 1. Crossing to the midfield. 17 on the shot line. Balik tayo kay number 17. Sabado. 40 on the shot line. Down to 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. Intercepted now. Number 24. That's out 10. Feel like a penalty connection. Raise it over the jersey number 20. 26, 31 score, 1 minute and 36 seconds. In control on jersey number 1, Makaspak. Nakakita ng butas, number 9 diretso, scoop shot, no. Tapikan nila rebound on jersey number 26. Ito yung depensa. Foul on. Jersey number 1, penalty tayo. Number 1, first on you, Mr. Number 1. One minute and 24. First attempt ni Mr. Number 28. Ito, dito nabubuhay ang ating cluster 1 sa 15-foot line. Walang isinasablay kahit isa. Tingnan natin yung huling throw ni jersey number 28 na usol. Ito si jersey number 23 rejected. That's a good defense now. That's an out of bounds. Cluster 3 basketball. 1 minute and 19. Ito si jersey number 17 now. Crossing to the midguard. Looking for his teammate. He's slowly moving in 14 seconds on the shot clock. Sabado, isolation. 12 pound on the shot clock. Down to 11. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. And reset to 14. Number 11. May tulak si Idol. Committed foul on number 24. Number 24, pangatlo. Medyo rening anak kayo ng gulot, Diyos ko. Turan daw rening kayo, Diyos ko. Ano, kalikot. First one is again, 58 seconds. Score natin, madam, 27-31. Recovery sa number 26. Walang box out na ibinigay dun sa malaking mama si Mr. number 26 Delone. Here comes jersey number 28. Kick out out the right from way downtown. That's an off target. Rejected ni Mr. Carlos Ochoa. Recovery Mr. number 1. Ito na yung facilitator. Agaw ni Mr. jersey number 26 now. Mahaba yung shot clock. Press 24 yan. Balik tayo jersey number 24. Again. Recovery Mr. number 1. Looking for the receiver. Intercepted na ng jersey number 23. Spin move. Nandun yung depensa. That's a whistle goal tayo. That's a whistle goal. Foul on jersey number 18. Penalty. Score natin 33-27. Number 1 out. May papatela kon Joe. May papatela Joe. Score. Narik yung gulot. Game clock natin 30 seconds lang tayo. 30 seconds. First attempt, in and out. 30 seconds, game clock. 30 seconds. Isa lang. Score natin, Pogi, 28-33. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17. Number 17, Sabado. Looking for the receiver, jersey number 13. Back to jersey number 17 now. Isolation. Here comes jersey number 17. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 17 looking for the inside pass. 10 down on the shot clock. Give and go. Number 26. Reset. Game clock natin. Out of bounds. Cluster 1, 8 seconds na lang tayo para 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 8 seconds game clock. Shot like is off. 8 seconds.
Marinate ka pa.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open na open para kay Mr. Songsong Biray. Official score natin 28-33. Ang 5-point lead ng Abante pa rin. Eto, tingnan natin kung mag-iiba yung diskarte ng ating cluster 1 for the third quarter. Ikaw, jersey number 24, looking for his teammate. Dahan-dahan nyo mag-diskarte. Eto, ball fake, down the line, lays it off. He gets a lucky bounce of jersey number 23, Miranda. Ring down the letter of jersey number 1, Makaspaga. Looking for the receiver, the jersey number 17. Sabado, inside pass, ball fake. Carlo Ochoa, inside pass, 10 down on a shot log, down to 9, 8, 7, shot log is reset, top pick, and here comes number 26, looking for the kick out again, same spot, triple shot, 3-3-3, number 17, Mr. Luis Sabado, balik tayo jersey number 20, Biray to jersey number 20, 12 minutes, top of the key, looking for the kick out pass, Biray, 14 seconds on the shot log, here comes jersey number 12, 10 down on the shot leg. 8 seconds on the shot leg. 8 seconds on the shot leg. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Recover in jersey number 20. Score not 10. 36-30 score. Here comes number 26 to the playmaker in jersey number 1, Makaspak. Nakakita ng butas, tumangga ng bahagya ng De Leon. Paulo number 10, Mr. number 10, pangatlo. First team foul, cluster 3. Balik tayo jersey number 24 for the cluster 1, Biray. Looking for the kick out. Ikban, he launches. That's a way of the mark. Nandun yung recover. Tapikan sa ilalim. Agawan. That's a jump ball. Cluster 3 basketball. Almost 2 minutes gone by for the third quarter. Jersey number 1, outlet to the playmaker, to the backup point guard, jersey number 17, Sabado. Post move the jersey number 26 now. 12 to shade, down to 11, set shot, reload, dig it, top pick and recover on. Carlo Ochoa, shaded area, pull up, dig it, reset again, one pick, one shot, masyado malakas. That's a whistle blow, dalawa yung pumito, dalawa. That's a foul on it. Holding foul, number 26. Number 26, first on you, Mr. number 26. Second team foul for the cluster 3. Iba talaga pag matatangkat sa ilalim ng basket. Napakahirap kumuha ng rebound ng ating cluster 1. Pero nahuli ni Rapa. Yung holding foul ng Mr. number 26. Balik tayo Mr. number 27. Tap of the key. Balik tayo Mr. number 20. 15 on the shot clock. Double three ball. And a crossover. Ball out. David. Balik tayo jersey number 12. Top of the key again. Here comes the screen. Fancy pass to jersey number 23. 10 down on the shot clock. Agawan ng buko. Inagawan ng candy division number 17. Luis Sabado, ang veterano. Crossing to the midcourt. The big fellow. Ito na yung halimaw ng veteran. Si Mr. number 10. Nadulas masyado para. Exactly 7:07 Rodel. Third quarter. Score natin Score natin 36-13. Sandali ko dyan. Balik tayo kay jersey number 24. In control ng sa number 24. Shot lag is good now. Agaw, outlet, nandun yung transition offense. Here comes jersey number 1. Raise it up, umbrella defense, that's a good defense. Recover jersey number 23. Napakagandang depensa ang pinakita ng Mr. Jimenez. Jimenez sa huling sequence. Nakakita ng butas. Dire-diretso. Hand up. Intercepted. Sayang na pagkakataon for the Cluster 1. Lazy pass. Recovered jersey number 17. Luis Sabado. Out the pass to the playmaker. Jersey number 1 now. The assassin si Mr. Makaspak. Mr. Camilo Chua. That's it. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Out of bounds. Sabi ni Kernel, last si ano yun. Pero nakaabak sa buwat si Idol. Papunta sa'yo yung bola, Kernel. Ocho, that's a good count right to the Jeff Mamado. Here comes down jersey number 24. In control pa rin. Slowly moving on Mr. Alpiray against number 1 Makaspag. Isolation play now. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Almost loses. Here comes number 27 using the body. Rejected na naman. Eh yun yung sinasabi ko pag umikot ka na nga. Alanganin nandun yung depensa ni Mr. Boyo. Eto si Mr. number 26. Hand up. Eto. Good service kid. Jersey number 26. Ito, pinapakita lang ng number 26 yung experience sa ilalim ng basket, yung mga fundamental skill ni Mr. number 26 Delon. Sa kabila naman si Mr. number 24 Wade Sarabis. Ito yung outlet pass. Pagka-rebound outlet agad, hindi lang bumaba yung kakampi ni Mr. number 17 Luis Sabado. Exactly 5 minutes and 44 seconds remaining game clock for the third quarter. Isolation play now. Outlet to jersey number 1. 40 seconds on a shot clock. Here comes number 1 Makaspak. Shake. Fade, outlet, and down on the shot clock. He launches naked, reset to 14. Pero recovery jersey number 12, transition. Pagkakataon makatapias ng kalamangan to Mr. number 20. Hand out to Mr. number 27, rejected. That's a whistle, goal. Nadali pare. This foul pare. Jersey number 1. No, pahabol na. Number 10 out. First attempt number 23 is good. 31, 38. He gets a lucky bounce, number 23, Miranda. Exactly 5:18 remaining for the third quarter. 38-32. Slowly moving on jersey number 17. Looking for his teammate on jersey number 17. Napakalawang yung depensa. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes jersey number 26. 11 seconds on the shot clock. TB5 Nugget short jumper. Shooter's bounce number 20. Malakas yung signal pero sa kabila. Easy basket ng number 19 for the pass break pass. Or number 19 sabi ni Mr. Koskura. Takip lang ng bahagya sabi ni Mr. Koskura. Pero yung discount ng cluster 1. Pass break agad kay Mr. number 19 Piray. Now in control on jersey number 17. Signaling for his teammate. Spread out sabi ni Mr. number 17. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass Kernel Ochoa. Hand time move too strong. Battle for the loose ball. Si jersey number 24. Back to Mr. jersey number 10 Piray. Number 10 pa rin cross-court pass and outlet to Mr. Jimenez now. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes Piray attacking the baseline, leaving the defense, and a reverse layup is good in position number 23. Ceasefire muna tayo. 4 minutes so 5. Gandang lusot para ni jersey number 23. Score natin 40-36 pare. Balik tayo kay jersey number 14. Number 1 rounder, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 15 outlet and a cross court. Ball rotation, top of the key. He launches it. Nagit, tapik palabos. Red ball tayo. Red ball. Shot clock is reset to 14. Inbound play ni Mr. Betong. Cross court. 17-footer jumper. Agawad sa ilalim. Si Mr. Boyong naghari sa rebound and the put tag. Score na naman. Ito, outlet. Counter steal. Outlet to Mr. number 17. 3:32. Here comes jersey number 17 against jersey number 12. Isolation play. Cross court pass. To the playmaker. Makaspak. Takasasin. Page. Drive. And a whistle blow. Oh, pare number 12. Number 12, Jimenez. Tinitingnan ko lang para kung katayo ba o hindi. Team foul number 1. Balik tayo jersey number 26. Pinabayaan lang. 17-footer jumper naked. Big rebound number 23, Miranda for the defensive rebound. Ito si Mr. number 10. Para karang putusan. Lazy pass. Cross Crossover down the lane. Scoop shot. Connects the 2 points again. Jersey number 1. Napakabilis ng pacing ng laro ng ating cluster 3. Napakabilis yung discount ng number 1 for the easy basket. Now jersey number 19 pa nakakabuntusan, looking for the receiver number 12 in the ball fake, slicing the middle. Scoop pass, inside pass. Good pa rin yan. Ito si jersey number 10 for the recover. Si Mr. number 10. Yun pa lang yung unang puntos ng number 10. For the third quarter pa lang mapipick up yung dalawang puntos ni Mr. Piray. Jersey number 10, 2 minutes and 40 remaining. Crossing to the middle of jersey number 17. Here comes Sabado. Back to this updated number 15. 14 seconds on a shot clock. Inside pass to Mr. number 26. Ball fake. Using the body. Attacking the baseline. Foot sa labis nigger. Ito na naman yung rebound. Kalapit 3 pa na Mr. number 23. Miranda. Transition. Ito yung offense ng ating cluster 1. Mabilis na tapik. Same ball pa rin. That's a good defense. That's a good defense. Bolang bola. Same ball pa rin. Cluster 1 basketball. 17 seconds on a shot clock. 17 seconds. Now with jersey number 24. Tap of the key. 14 seconds on a shot clock. To Mr. Miranda, number 23. Agawan ng buko sa ilalim. Recover the jersey number 20, TV5. Here comes number 20. Ito yung depensa, mabibitawan. Traveling. 2 minutes and 4 seconds, coach. Paule. 2 minutes and 4 seconds rather. 2 minutes and 4 seconds. Miranda out muna for the sub. Press 24 shot clock for the cluster 1. Meron tayong team control kay Mr. TV5 Dagid. 2 minutes and 4 seconds remaining. In control of jersey number 2. Tap out the key isolation play now against number 1. Here comes jersey number 12. Looking for his teammate. Inside pass to jersey number 27. Iktan using the muscle. They're good. Ito yung recovery jersey number 15 for the defensive rebound number 17. Burning the game clock. 1 minute and 47 seconds for the third quarter. Official score natin. 44-38 in favor of the cluster 3 now. Number 17. Isolation. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Back to Mr. Salvador. Launches naked. Kaninong bola pare? Okay. Black ball. Bigyan mo ng araw pare. Point of direction tayo, Boss Elia. Thank you very much, Boss Elia. Back to Mr. number 19. Launches from downtown naked. And a rebound on Mr. number 27. Tapik palabas. Saan na tayo? Number 1. 24 out. 121. Balik lagi jersey number 19. Looking for Mr. number 27. Ball fake. Shoulder fake. Hang time. Negate. Tapikan ni Mr. jersey number 10. Tatlo yung gimit. Depensa. Number 15. Oh, may taga. Alam naman ni Mr. number 15 yun. Acknowledge foul on Mr. number 15. Person you. Team foul number 4. Shot looks reset. Balik lagi jersey number 11. Lazy pass, turnover. Official score natin, 38-44. 109 remaining. Here comes jersey number 17. Sabado. Here comes Sabado pa rin against number 12. 59 seconds. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out. Ito, lazy pass. Dahan-dahan yung pagtawid. Just a piece of cake on jersey number 19. 44 seconds. 42 seconds. 40 seconds. 39 seconds. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17 now. In control of Mr. number 17. Outlet pass. Eto, 33 seconds. Team foul number 1 pa lang kayo. Team foul number 1. 33 seconds game clock. 33 seconds game clock. Looking for the receiver now, jersey number 17. 13 on the shot clock. Count to 11. 10, 9, 8. Shot lines reset na sa go. Sandali lang. May pito ang ating referee. May pito. O, dito rep dito. Dito rep. Dito. Report mo na lang dito, pare. Sandali. 26, sino sa 26? Si Mr. Dalawon, number 26. First, second personal foul niyo, Mr. number 26. Sa kabila para sino?
Double foul yun eh.
11. Si Mr. number 11, third on you. Arrow possession tayo, cluster 1. Cluster 1 tayo. Black ball tayo. 22 seconds, game blank. 22 seconds, game blank. 21, 20 seconds, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Idol, tatlo. Sige pare. Balik tayo sa kabila, si jersey number 1 bakas back, outlet, set play on jersey number 26. Ito, double team, inside pass, almost loses. Hindi na pare. Same ball, oh. Yan. Point of direction pare para mabilis tayo. Balik tayo kay jersey number 3, shot line is good. Down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and reset topical. Recover on jersey number 27. Here comes number 27 looking for the outlet pass. Ito transition. Tumabayo agad mo. Number 20 inside pass. Extra pass. Nice good is good. And number 42 to 40. Dalawang puntos ang separation lead ng ating cluster 3 for the fourth quarter. 15 seconds on the shot line. Down to 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, reset to jersey number 17. Here comes jersey number 17, outlet, same shot. Number 1, again, topic Canada, big rebound on jersey number 10, right. Ito na yung touchdown. Kaya sa Mr. number 20, dumire-diretso. That's a foul on it. That's a blocking foul on number 17. First on you, Mr. number 17. First team foul. Sideline foul for jersey number 20. Balik tayo jersey number 12, Jimenez. Ito na yung one-on-one play. Down to 13 seconds. Balik tayo jersey number 12, 10 down on the shot line. Jimenez, extra pass, steal. Here comes jersey number 3. The jersey number 17 now. Baseline drive, bounce pass, give and go. Colonel Ochoa. Recover jersey number 1. Looking for the extra pass. Recover jersey number 27. That's a good defense for the class 1. Pagkakataon na to. Nakapuntos. Losing the ball. That's a good defense. Good pa rin yan. Here comes jersey number 10. Outlet. Kick out. Ball rotation. Agad rebound on jersey number. Here comes on jersey number 26. Number 26 to jersey number 1. Lays it up. No! Number to jersey number 3. Point it back in. Balik tayo kami sa number 20. Down the lane. Extra pass. That's a foul on number 28. Number 28, foul first. Eto coach ha, yung dating officiating pare, wala tayong warning, iba yung officiating natin, ipapatupad natin yung FIBA rules ng aming grupo pare, hindi tayo pwede dun sa walang warning, hindi tayo magtatalid sa mga ganong laruan pare, magiging iba yung laro natin. Yung score natin, 27, iba na yung officiating natin mo, coach ha, Paule. Recover, down jersey number 26. Score natin, pumasok yung isa, 43 to 46 score. Balik tayo kay kay jersey number 17, Sabado. In control on Mr. number 17, back on jersey number 1. Here comes number 1. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inside pass on Mr. number 26, give and go to Mr. Paulo, number 26. And a big rebound on jersey number 10. Ito yung number 10 for the recovery. Defensive rebound, 7 minutes and 25 seconds. In control on jersey number 24, outlet pass on Mr. number 12. Bounce pass. Nag-alangan yung pasa. Ito yung number 24. Using the body. There! Pero pumasok pala. Hindi papasok pa rin sa number 24. Shooter's bounce. Sabi ni Mr. number 24. Score natin 45. 46. Isa na lang. Sabi na kukunan ng ating cluster 1. Here comes jersey number 1 Makaspag. And a 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes number 26. Inside pass. That's a whistle goal tayo. Sandali lang pare. Kunin ko lang yung foul. Oh. Para away from ball. Sino pare? Sandali. Number 21, 27. 28 out. Number 27. Second on him is number 27. First team foul. Looking for the receiver. Ito catch and shoot. Digid. Big rebound number 20. Ito yung rebound si Mr. number 27 at Mr. number 10 for the cluster 1. Pagkakataon. Nakalamang outlet. Shot. Ito pa lamang kauna-unang kalamangan ng ating cluster 1. We score natin 47-46. Yung diskarte, hindi nawalan ng pag-asa ng ating cluster 1 sa ating huling sequence. Sipag lang, higang timeout mo. Dalawang timeout ka na lang, Boss Jojo. Pag hindi nagamit yung isa, yung third quarter. 6 minutes and 38 seconds. In control on jersey number 1. 6 minutes and 38 pa tayo sa timeout. Cluster 3. Tatlong timeout sa kabila. Ito si jersey number 1 Makaspag. Tapo Paki, di diskarte. To the big fellow number 26 now. Number 26 for Rene. In control. For J. Ito, the silencer. Number 26. Para sa iyon, Ma'am Luis De Leon. Busy si Madam. Balik tayo kay Mr. Jimenez. Tapo Paki na naman. Almost loses. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out pass. 3-4 shots. Reset. Sunod bumangga sa dalawang depensa. Humanag ka pa rin ng 2 points. Napakamot ulo si Coach Kura. Sabi ni Mr. Kura, hinagis na lang, pumasok pa. Pero basket pa rin yun, pare. James Faber again, 48-49. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sabado, balik tayo jersey number 1 now. Down to 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. That's out of bounds. That's a miscommunication. Number 17 and number 26. 49-48. Here comes jersey number 12 down. Jimenez. Outlet to Mr. number 24. Ito yung nakakuha ng unang kalamangan yung Alpira. Number 24 slicing the middle. Extra pass. Intercepted. Balik tayo kay jersey number 10. Kick out. 7 to shoot. Fall out. No good. And a big way down now. Outlet pass. Sakto yung pasa. One dribble. Pull-out goal. Yes, sir. Now jersey number 24, Viray, looking for the steroid. Asking for a screen on jersey number 12. Inside pass to Mr. Rigbana. Full rotation. Shot like is good at 17. Here comes jersey number 12. Inside pass. Tapik palabas. Same ball for Rene. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13. Twelve, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a 24 seconds violation. That's a good defense for the class of 3. Balik tayo sa kabila. Jersey number 17 officially scored natin 50-49 in favor of the class of 3. Crossing to the mid for the jersey number 17. Isolation again, number 12 down. Baseline drive and a 14 seconds on the shot clock of Mr. Luis Sabado. Down to 12 seconds, down to 11, 10, 9, 8, and that's a whistle blow. Huna, nagalaan si Mr. number 20. That's a good control. the minute. 4:42. 4:42. Allowed naman yan, boss. Yung 4 na minuto ko. Balik tayo kay jersey number 12, Jimenez. Here comes the screen, looking for the give and go. Gandang pasa, mabibitawan nga lang, tumama sa katawan. Tumama sa katawan, edition number 24. In down it. Here comes jersey number 1. Looking for the playmaker, jersey number 1. Crossing to the midboard. Sakto lang si Mr. jersey number 1. 16 seconds on the shot clock now. Jersey number 1 pa rin. Asking for the screen now. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Ball fake. Kick out to jersey number 26. 10 down on the shot clock. Outlet pass and a ball fake. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Reset. Ito na yung touchdown. Pass. Sabi ni Mr. jersey number. Sa kabila ako pare. Tol, sa kabila ako. Ito si Mr. number 26. Sinagi sa lang. Good pa rin yan. Here comes number 17 and a ball fake. Down the lane. Runner. Bang shot is good. Jersey number 17. Penalty steal. That's a foul on it. Number 20. Oh, right pushing foul to Mr. number 20. Second team foul. Second personal foul, number 20, Piray. .347 remaining. Down in jersey number 17. Looking for his teammate number 20, Nagid. Back to jersey number 17. Asking for the receiver now. Asking for the screen. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Number 17 inside pass. 10 down on the shot clock. Down the line. 87. Number 24. 20. For the class of 3. Check in si Mr. Vito kay number 23. Miranda. Mahaba pa yan eh. 52-49 score. Official score natin pagkakataong makatablaw, makatapias man lang ang ating cluster 1 siya. Yan lang ah. Set play si jersey number 20. 40 down on the shot clock. Mabibitawan. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Get a crossover. 10 down on the shot clock. Breaks the pass. Lazy pass. Ito na si Mr. number 26. Tumatakbo na. Kondisyon si Mr. number 26. Nice sa mabilang. Number 26. For the easy basket. Unstoppable si Mr. Boyong sa mga court-to-court. Advantage ka naman yung attacking the baseline. Number 23. Quick grab shot. Malakas. Ito na. Balik na kami sa number 17. Tapat palalas. Number 20. Out ka muna number 20. O madaming oras natin. 3:03 remaining. 3:03. 3 minutes. Kada possession yan. Sasabihin ko yan madam. Nandyan ka lang. Basta nandyan ka lang. Sasabihin ko at magtatanong ka lang madam. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17. 2 minutes and 58. Here comes jersey number 1. 14 seconds on the shot clock para kay jersey number 1. Isolation play. Down to 12 seconds. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. Pinapalit na talaga yung number 17. Unstoppable. Sumisin number 17. Luis Evado. Here comes Jimenez. Good pa rin yan. Number 23. Back to jersey number 19. 2:35 remaining. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here comes number 19. Down to 12 seconds. Down to 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. That's a foul on number 26. That's a blocking foul on you, Mr. number 26. Third on you. 13 foul. Team foul number 3. Cluster 3. 2:25 score. 56-49. 7-point lead ang Abante. Cats and Jed. Now, ito yung big rebound ni Mr. number 26. Mabibitawan. 3-14. That's a good defense. Score na naman for the cluster 1. Ito si jersey number 1. Nakaalagwa. Nandito yung opensa ng ating cluster 3. Easy basket ng jersey number 17. Yes! 2 minutes! And a branch 5. Number 27 for the putback. 1 minute and 54. Balik tayo kay jersey number 17. In control of jersey number 17. Looking for his teammate. Now jersey number 1. Good defense. Ito yung double team looking for the outlet pass in the 14 seconds on the shot clock on Mr. number 17. Back to Mr. number 26. Give and go. The ball back down the stretch. That's a problem number 15. Nag-shuffle yung baka ni Mr. number 15. Turnover, 1:36 remaining, 1:36. In control pa rin. Official score natin 53-58. Bring down the leather on jersey number 27, Iqbal. Back to Mr. Jersey number 12 with the 14 seconds on the shot clock. Jimenez looking for the isolation now. 10 down on the shot clock. Number 27, 8 this year. Down to 7, 6, 5. Ibang klase talaga yung lakas ng number 27. Balik tayo kay jersey number 1. 1 minute 11 seconds. Eto na, nauubusan na ng oras. Kailangan na magmadali yung sa depensa ng ating cluster 1. Eto na si Mr. jersey number 1 for the defense. Looking for the cross court. 59 seconds now. Outlet. Tama yung tawag. Si Mr. number 23. Meron ko pang dalawang timeout coach. Kung maitag, di mo na itatanong. 56 seconds. Balik tayo kay jersey number 1. 53 seconds game clock. Now crossing to the midcourt now. Jersey number 1. 17 to shoot. Here comes the jersey number 1. Down to 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Less than 3. Naibigay pare. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Reset to 14. Game clock 29. Here comes jersey number 24. 10 down on the shoulder. Number 1, holding foul. Number 1, sabi na. Pulled out. Team foul number 4. Far away from ball. Si Mr. number 1, tinawagan ng holding foul. Team foul number 4. Shot clock is reset. 24 seconds game clock. 40 seconds on the shot clock. In down ni Mr. number. Number 3, legal contact to the hand of jersey number 3. Number 3, Mr. Penalty tayo, idol. Second on you, Mr. number 3. Sandali. Yung isa, warning for delaying the game. Ngayon, improper bets. Automatic yan technical, dalawa na yan pare. Meron ng warning kanina pare. Meron ng warning. Delaying the game yung isa pare. Ngayon sa coach, church. Technical free throw tayo pare ko. Si Mr. number 1, yung warning for delaying the game pare kanina. Yun yung sa'yo, number 1. Ngayon sa coach. 22. Isa lang yun pare. Isa lang yun pare, isa lang. Penalty na tayo. Yung technical isa lang yun idol, pero yung penalty dalawa. 22 seconds game clock. Hindi, dalawang tempo lang kayo pare. Yun lang, you're right. Seconds na, 22 seconds eh. Yan na si jersey number 1. Eto, foul number 19. Team foul number 3. 20 seconds eh. Hindi ba pare, team foul number 3 pa lang yung kabila yung penalty? 20 seconds game clock. 20 seconds game clock. 27. Team foul number 4. No? Team foul number 4. Third personal foul on Mr. number 27. 19 seconds. 17 seconds. 15 seconds. Who's foul left? Number 24. Number 24, Alberay awarded for disqualification. 2 shots na yan. Penalty. Let's see the first attempt on Mr. number 17. Official score natin 60 to 56. Ay, sumasablay. May takot. Service yung ito. Nastro, ready jumper. 15 seconds pa kayo. 15 seconds game lagi. Sis Pariade. Reserve timeout si Idol. Coach. Ibigay at bibigay ko yan, par. Score natin 61 to 56. Huling timeout, coach. 15 seconds on a game black. 15 seconds. Oh, 14 na yan, Idol. Oh. 15 seconds pa tayo, pare. $61 to 56. 14 seconds on the shot line. 1 seconds differential game clock in the shot line. Sideline inbound. Let's see.
Good, bola.
11 seconds. Legal cylinder. Basket is counted. Foul on number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Tatlo. One. Number 1. Apat na yung number 1. Number 3. Dalawa. Sa kanila rep. Rep. 3 points yun. 3 points. Oh, 3 points yun. Sino mag-free throw? Sino sa number 19 eh. 8 seconds. 8 seconds.
59.
Score natin 59, 61. Score natin. Hindi, dito yung official score. Yan yun, Idol. 59-61 yung official score natin. 8 seconds na lang tayo. Wala ka ng timeout, coach. Ha? Sa kabila, isang timeout pa. Pioneers, cluster 3. 8 seconds game flag. Seven. It's a foul on it. Time out for now. Pioneers. Sinong foul para number 20? Nakagugulisap. Tingnan natin yung unang free throw ni Mr. number 17. Ay, parang sasabihin ko. Huling pagkakataon. Kaya nakagugulisap. Meron. 7 seconds, Idol. No timeouts ka na. Wala ka ng timeout. 7 seconds game line. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sayang na pagkakataon. Pwede mo nang ihagis yung pare. Pinasa mo ba? Sayang na. Pero good game pa rin, Cluster 1. Congratulations po sa Cluster 3 official score natin. 62-60. Dalawang puntos lang.